Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. JMFC Margao issues arrest warrant to Mickey Pacheco, says arrest Mickey within 7 days if he doesn't surrender. Mickey awaits decision on review plea. Goa got projects worth 5,000 crores from Centre Foundation Stone for Zuari Bridge on 19 December. 4-laning to construction of bridges, Gadkari assures all. Goa Meat Complex and animal lovers claim Goa meat traders involved in illegal business. Traders refute charges but say illegality is going on in rural areas. Fab India officials get interim relief. Mapsa Court adjourns hearing for 23rd April. Court asked Fab officials to appear before Crime Branch on Friday. And Hero Indian Super League scouts for grassroots talent in Goa. Football sports development to open residential academy in Mumbai. FC Goa host football festival finale at Vasco. Now the news in detail. The Margao JMFC court has issued arrest warrant against former RDA Minister Mickey Pacheco, who has been convicted in junior engineer Kapil Natikar assault case. The Margao court has given 7-day time to Goa police to execute the High Court order. The High Court had upheld the order of Assistant Sessions Court sentencing Mickey 6 months simple imprisonment. Later, the Supreme Court has dismissed Mickey's special leave petition challenging High Court's order.
Mickey Pacheco filed an intervention application before JMFC Margao in a petition on warrant of arrest. Mickey, while opposing issuance of warrant of arrest, contended that the review petition has been filed before the Supreme Court, which is likely to be heard on Friday.
I have filed a review petition before the Honorable Supreme Court, which is pending for adjudication. Unless and until that review is decided, this proceedings has not attained finality. So wait till then.
Government advocate opposed intervention application of Mickey and contended that the court has power to issue warrant of arrest without hearing Mickey. Main petitioner Advocate Irish Rodriguez contended that Mickey Pacheco has not surrendered even after 10 days of dismissal of his special leave petition by the Supreme Court. After hearing, the court issued warrant of arrest against Mickey.
Margao JMFC was today pleased to issue a warrant of arrest against convicted Goa's former RDA Minister Mickey Pacheco. The court today has directed the Kolva police to execute the warrant within 7 days.
Mickey is out of Goa and is likely to return by late Thursday evening. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with Savio Dias for Prudent.
Zuari Bridge Foundation will be laid on 19 December. Union Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari announced projects for Goa worth 5,000 crores, which include 4-laning and concretization of Mumbai-Goa highway. Inland waterways across the nation will be started, including 5 major rivers of Goa. Sudhin Dhawadekar informed that Gadkari sanctioned 3 projects on Thursday. Gadkari was at Talegaon to lay foundation stone for NH4A and NH17B.
तो म्हणजे जुवारी नदीवर नवीन 6-लेन केबल स्टेट ब्रिज आम्ही बांधायचं ठरवलेलं आहे आणि याची किंमत 2000 कोटी रुपये आहे. हे 2000 कोटी रुपयाचं काम गोवा मुक्ती दिवस जो 19 डिसेंबर त्या दिवशी याचं भूमिपूजन करून या कामाला आम्ही सुरुवात करू. की गोव्याचं जे पाणी आहे त्यातलं गॅस हवेत चालला असेल तुम्ही त्याचा काढून बायो सीएनजी मध्ये कन्वर्ट करा. अर्थात ही सगळी टेक्नॉलॉजी तुम्हाला देण्याची जबाबदारी माझी आहे. की गोवापासून तर महाराष्ट्र सीमेपर्यंत 1000 कोटी रुपयाचं सिमेंट कॉन्क्रीटचं 4-लेनिंग काम देखील या वर्षात सुरू होईल अशी मी या ठिकाणी घोषणा करतो. आता आम्ही देशातले 101 रिव्हर्स याला इनलँड वॉटरवेज मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं ठरवलेलं आहे आणि त्यामध्ये गोव्यातली 5 नदी त्याच्यामध्ये आहेत. एक
सोडून एक बोरी पूल जो हा इल्लेशे ते आम्ही पुढल्या 4-5 महिन्यांत सगळ्यांक कन्सल्ट करून ते कशे करपाचे पुरयता.
ही आजच्या दिसा परत 3 प्रोजेक्ट आमकां त्यांनी अप्रूव्ह केल्या. जवळजवळ 740 कोटीचे प्रोजेक्ट. तो 11 वर्सां पयलीं आमी एक्विजिशन केलो काणकोणचो गालजीबाग ब्रिज आणि अलॉंग विथ बायपास. त्यानंतर दुसरो रस्तो आसा तो नुवे टू धर्मापूर बायपास आम्ही 2002 चालू केल्लो तो मिसिंग लिंक फ्रॉम वेर्णा इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट टू लोटली हो प्रोजेक्ट येवचो असो प्रत्येकाक दिसतालो आणि म्हाका अभिमान दिसता की तो सुद्धा प्रोजेक्ट जवळजवळ 200 कोटीचो ताणी आज आमकां अर्पण केलो की हे सगळे प्रोजेक्ट ह्या 2 किंवा 2.5 वर्षात पूर्ण करून आम्ही लोकार्पण करू.
Goa meat traders are involved in black marketing of beef. The charge comes from animal lovers and Goa Meat Complex chairman. Goa meat traders have refuted the charges. This was the first time all three parties came together on one platform in our weekly program, The Debate. However, meat traders say there are chances of illegalities in rural area, but it is not rampant.
What we are saying is majority of the beef and meat market is black.
Yes.
Okay. हे तुम्ही मान्य करता?
हांव कितें सांगता का
हय.
तर जे लिंडन बाबान सांगले की 70 बैल थंयसर मारच्या ते कमी करून कमी मारता 30 आणि 40. हांव कितें म्हणून सांगता 70 आमी अजून पर्यंत थंयसर 70 मारपाक रेडी आसा. जे रिक्वायरमेंट थंयसर फॅसिलिटी ना
सगळे फॅसिलिटी आहा. तो 300 बैल हाड फाल्यां हांव तुका मारून दिता. Handful of people are holding the beef consumers at ransom.
Who are these handful people?
Handful of unscrupulous traders.
Unscrupulous traders.
Unscrupulous traders. And along with them, those traders.
Right, I'll come to you. I'll come.
हे सगळे फॉल्ट एरिया आमच्या इथून
हांव तुमचेर करना. हांवें म्हणला certain unscrupulous traders म्हणला.
एक मिनिट माझे ऐकून घ्या. आता हे जे सांगले कॅन्सराचे आणि हेजे तेजे हे जायत ना.
ताणें थंयच्यानूच हाडूंक जाय. म्हजें म्हणणें कित्याक सांग जितले पर्यंत तुजें मॉडर्नायझेशन कंप्लीट जायना आनी सारकें सगळें
हांगा मारप ना. विल यू सपोर्ट देम असली इल्लीगल हांचेर एक्शन घेवपाक? तो म्हणटा तुम्ही सपोर्ट करना.
ना कोणाक
तांकां तुम्ही इल्लीगल ट्रेडर्सांक धरपाक सपोर्ट करना. तुम्ही करतले?
आमी ऑलरेडी आमचे असोसिएशन डिक्लेअर केला की इनलिगलिटी हिंगा स्टॉप जावंक जाय.
सपोर्ट करतले तांकां धरपाक?
सपोर्ट म्हणजे कितें आमी ऑलरेडी डिक्लेअर केला आमचे ट्रेडर्सांक
सपोर्ट तो म्हणटा तो
जावंक जायना. जे कोण मारपाचे गोवा मीट कॉम्प्लेक्सान मारपाचे.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.